on the head, one over here. Lift the hip up, and then we're gonna drop the hip. And it's gonna come right now in the chorus, and I'll show it to you guys. Okay, ready? And
कीजिए टीवी एंड फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन फिल्म्स यूट्यूब चैनल की हेल्प से। अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और सीखिए कि कैसे बॉलीवुड में एंट्री करते हैं। ज्वाइन फिल्म्स यूट्यूब चैनल उनके लिए जिनका कोई गॉडफादर नहीं।
It's an overwhelming feeling. It feels so good to know that I've done something that the audience has loved, and they're accepting me as an actor, as an artist, as a performer. And it's not easy to have the acceptance from the audience. और मैं बहुत thankful हूँ, grateful हूँ, क्योंकि ये love and support जो सब लोग ने दिया है, मैंने नहीं expect किया। मुझे पता था कि गाना hit होगा, but इतना मैंने नहीं expect किया। So it's just what excites me. For example, अगर आप item songs के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, तो अगर गाना अच्छा है तो of course it's gonna excite me, it'll excite everybody. If it sounds good, if the creative is good, if the visuals will be good, the dance will be good, it excites any performer, any artist, because we're all artistic in the end of the day. But for me, it has to be a full package. Like, item songs excite me, of course, if it's in a good film, if it's with a good actor, if it's with a good producer director, if the song sounds really good. Like, जब मैंने दिलबर सुना था, of course I was like, whoa, the composition of the song, the rhythm of the song, everything was perfect. Music videos excite me if the theme is good, if the storyline is good, or even if the song sounds different. Like Na with Hardy Sandhu, जब मैंने गाना सुना था उस time, I was like, this is something different, you know what I mean? This will do very well. So for me, it has to be something different. It has to be something I know which I will be able to perform in and the audience will really like. So it really depends. I love to do, like styles जो होते हैं, urban styles, जैसे Afro, dancehall, hip hop, urban, funk, Bollywood, of course. बहुत मज़ा आता है जब मैं Bollywood करती हूँ. And belly dance, because belly dance is just visually very appealing. And already there is this love for belly dance in Bollywood and in India. And a lot of people are taking classes, a lot of people are trying to learn. And to see that there are, little kids and grown-up people doing the signature step of Dilbar or trying to do it, it's actually really nice. It's inspiring. That is, of course, बहुत अलग है. मतलब दिलबर की तरह नहीं है. Dance style अलग है, look अलग है. It's for the movie Stree, which I shot with Rajkumar Rao, and we shot it in Bhopal. And it's like a very massy number. I'm wearing a sari, I'm wearing sneakers, and we're doing this quirky dance, and it's very out of the box. Nice song.
How was the experience with Rajkumar?
It was a nice experience. Then Rajkumar Rao can dance.
Yeah.
So, and in his role was to be very like crazy and energetic. So I had a lot of fun shooting with them. It was nice. I have many. I mean, of course, I grew up obviously idolizing Helen and Madhuri Dixit, and even there are moments like some of Rekha's performance, or even Sri Devi, God rest her soul, a lot of her performances. So I quite followed closely into a lot of the dance performances these actors have given in Bollywood. Even now, like our contemporaries, like whenever Katrina does something, I really like, or even when Deepika performs, like for example when she performed on Lovely, I was really blown away. So for me, if someone gives a nice dance performance, then I am in love. I have a lot of favorite actors. It always depends like on a film, like Kangana, Post Queen. I just fell in love with her and her style and her swag, and her confidence, something that I'm a fan of. Of course, Deepika after Bajirao Mastani, and other films like Cocktail and stuff like that. And of course like Tabu, her performances are always like mind-blowing, especially like after I watched her film Chandni Bar, I was like, whoa, she's amazing. So many films that she's done that's really inspired me. I have a lot of people I admire. Yeah, I mean, of course, you have the three Khans, everybody loves and adores. And then, I really appreciate Ritik's ability to dance. And, I love Irfan Khan's performances. And, these young guys now like Varun Dhawan, Rajkumar Rao, they're killing the scene. Tiger Shroff, he's so good at his action. So like I appreciate everybody. Yeah. अगर एक रोल आएगा, अच्छा रोल आएगा एक वेब सीरीज़ में, हाँ मैं करना चाहती हूँ. Not just web series, even if it's a South film, even if it's a Bollywood film, even if it's an independent film, an arts film, as long as it's a story that I can connect with or a character that I feel comfortable doing, then I will not say no.
सबसे पहले वीडियोस को देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें.